Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the Windows Hypervisor platform feature on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search for Turn Windows. Best result should say turn Windows features on or off. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to go down to the Windows Hypervisor Platform service in here. Go ahead and check mark that and select OK. Allow this to install. And it says Windows completed the requested changes. Close out of here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.